Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we'll be discussing about the challenge of working as a photographer and videographer. But first, let me introduce myself and my teammate. My name is Grishka Wiranata.
I'm Erlinda Rista.
I'm Zakia Malika.
And I'm Muhammad Rizal Kurniawan.
We are all from Vocational School Applied Communication student at 11 Maret University in Surakarta. Before we dive into the main topic, let me briefly explain why we choose to discuss this subject and tell you a little bit about our department. First, let me introduce what is applied communication. Applied communication is one of the major in the field of communication science, focusing on developing essential communication skill. Graduates of this program can pursue a variety of careers that require strong communication abilities. Some of these careers include
The first one, journalist. 2, reporter. 3, news anchor. 4, broadcasting specialist.
5. Advertising professional. 6. Event organizer. 7. Content creator. 8. Photographer or videographer, and many more. That's why in this video, I'll specifically be discussing the roles and challenges faced by photographer and videographers.
Is it difficult to be a student majoring in applied communication? Yes, of course. Like in any field, there are always obstacles. In applied communication, we often face challenges, especially when it comes to project assignment. This project typically come with tight deadlines, which can increase stress levels. Additionally, creativity and innovation are essential to produce quality work, especially in creative industry.
Next, we'll take a closer look at the one of the profession we mentioned earlier, becoming a photographer and videographer.
But before we dive into the material, let's first watch a conversation between my two colleagues about the work challenge photographers and videographers face.
Hi Rizal, how are you? So you're the photographer and videographer for this event.
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. Yes, I am the photographer and videographer for this event.
You've been working in this field for a while now. How do you feel about your career as a photographer and videographer?
Of course, I'm very happy to still be doing this job after all this year. It's truly a career that has been challenging at times, but over the year, it has become second nature to me.
How do you feel about the difference between your past and present job?
I started my career as a photographer videographer in the era when technology wasn't as advanced as it's today. Back then, I began with minimal resource like a camera that wasn't very good, limited knowledge of photography videography skill, and expensive equipment.
What are the main difference between then and now?
In this day and age, technology has advanced so much. Looking back at the challenge faced earlier, what I experience now is very different. Technology has developed significantly. For example, I used to struggle with finding place to learn photography, but now everything is available online. I used to rely on a makeshift camera, but now I can rent much better equipment than the one I start with.
Technological development have really helped us, especially by making our work easier. Are there any other challenges that still exist today, even with all these advancements?
When you get a job as a photographer or videographer at an event like this, it's important to work well with the team.
Got it. That's a valuable lesson. Thank you, Rizal.
You're welcome.
Being a photographer or videographer is certainly not an easy job, and there are many challenges as we discussed earlier. Let's highlight some of the key challenges. The first one, the difficulty of learning photography and videography skills before the advancement of technology. 2. The limitation of older equipment. 3. The importance of teamwork in the field. 4. The high cost of cameras.
Speed this challenge. There are several solutions that can help overcome them. Based on the material from one of my courses, here are some of the solutions. The first one is time management. Effective time management is crucial in this profession. When you're working in this field, it's important to plan your shooting schedule carefully to stay organized. And it doesn't stop there once you finish shooting. If you're also responsible for editing, managing your time becomes even more critical. This is especially true when clients set tight deadlines for editing. Number 2, skill improvement. To master photography and videography, continuous skills development is essential. Many people start by learning the basic before moving on to more advanced techniques and equipment. As you gain experience, you'll need to keep refining your skill to stay competitive and deliver high-quality results. Number 3, collaboration. When working on large events, collaboration becomes a key. A good team dynamic, effective cooperation, and smooth communication are vital to ensuring the success of the project. When everyone works together seamlessly, the job becomes easier and more enjoyable. The fourth, use of technology. Technology has advanced significantly in recent years, and AI, or artificial intelligence, is now an essential tool in our industry. AI tools for photo and video editing have made the process faster and more efficient, giving photographers and videographers more time to focus on the creative aspect of their work. The integration of AI is helping professionals stay ahead in a fast-paced environment.
The profession of photography and videography is indeed filled with challenges, but it is also incredibly rewarding because it allows you to capture precious moments in creative way. With true preparation, a solid understanding of techniques, and ability to adapt to various situations, I believe this challenge can be successfully overcome.
That's all for this video. We hope you found it helpful and we want to thank you for watching. See you next time.